Hi guys, my name is Alex Metz and today I'm going to show you how EuroX can be used at merchants to purchase something simple like a cup of coffee. So come over to my friend Marcus here. Hi Marcus.
Hi Alex.
How are you doing?
Good.
Can I have an espresso please?
Yes.
See, normally you could always pay with PIN or cash, but now we have this sign with RONIN here. So how it's going to work is you open your camera app, which is native on your phone, you scan the QR codes, and then I'll get a pop-up. Oh, my PIN codes. Keep that to yourself, guys. Yeah, this is Coffee with Love, Marcus. I'm going to add the contacts. Send him some money for the espresso. Now we select EuroX. How much you want to pay? €2. Continue. Confirm. PIN code. And it's finished. And then we look at Marcus's phone, and my payment has been received. So I have my espresso, and it's time to get back to work.
RONIN.